My video guide is dedicated to help you get rid of the ransomware called Jzqe. This is the ransomware from the Jzqe ransomware family. But my video is solely for the educational purposes. I am not related to this ransomware and I am not promoting the ransomware. In the video, I will just show you the negative impact of the ransomware on the files and will give you some recommendations on how to recover the files. Before the ransomware attack, you are able to open the files without troubles, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents and other data. But regretfully, because of some leaks and vulnerabilities, this particular ransomware may be pretty easily injected into the computer, and after restarting the systems, users realize that they can no longer access their data anymore. So these are the results of the ransomware attack. The ransomware appends this Jzqe extension to the file names, and it is impossible to use the data. Then the ransomware tells the victims that they need to pay a special ransom for file recovery, but paying the ransom is definitely not a good idea. Don't pay the ransom and don't waste your money. I recommend you to remove this ransomware with Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on the official page combocleaner.com. So combocleaner.com, go to this page, download the software, install it, and then start researching your computer. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available in the trial mode. So click on Start Scan button. The software will begin scanning, researching, and investigating your computer. Most likely the application will also first of all update its anti-malware database, so do not skip this very important step. So after the anti-malware database is updated, Combo Cleaner begins scanning, researching, and investigating your computer. I want to emphasize your attention on the feature of Combo Cleaner called anti-ransomware. This feature helps to remove the ransomware and to protect your data. You can add certain folders that would always be protected from further ransomware attacks. But this feature does not decrypt files. Speaking about file decryption, please find a special link in the description to this video, which will give you more information on how to possibly recover your data.